Captain Mango.
Wow, this is some forest, Annie.
The Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest in the world, Ben. There are plants and animals that don't live anywhere else on the earth but here. Monkeys? Yes. Special monkeys? No. Don't be sad, Mango. You can be the guest special monkey, okay?
Annie, something in that bush doesn't sound very happy.
Let's just back away slowly, okay, guys?
Holy cow! What's that?
That's a giant anteater. Hello.
Her name is Charo.
You can hear her?
Good dog ears. Charo can't speak any louder because...
She has such a tiny mouth.
Yeah, and Charo says she's really hungry.
But you're an anteater, and there are trillions of ants in the Amazon.
Charo doesn't want to eat ants anymore because of Chaz.
Who's Chaz?
That's Chaz. He's an ant. He's Charo's best friend. Roof. Charo says Chaz says hello. Wow, he's so tiny I can't hear him, but Charo can.
Anteaters have better hearing and a better sense of smell than dogs, Ben.
Wow, you're like a super dog with a tiny mouth.
I'm Annie, and this is Ben and Mango. And you don't have to worry, Charo. We're gonna find you something to eat. Something that isn't Chaz. Mango will look up in the trees while we look for food down here.
I smell something good underground, Annie.
That's a wild yam. And it's too big for Charo's mouth.
But not too big for Chaz.
Mango, that coconut's bigger than the yam. How can Charo eat that? Coconut milk is a great drink, Mango. But we still have to find her something to eat.
Hey, Annie! I found some tiny berries!
Those are acai berries, Ben. They grow wild in the Amazon. They're very good for you. They're packed with calcium and vitamin A for strong bones and healthy eyes. Hey, Charo, try these.
I think we've got a very bad problem.
No time for bad jokes, Ben. Something's wrong. Oh my gosh, anteaters don't have teeth. You can't chew. You have to spit them out.
Oh, she's rolling towards the river.
We have to catch her. The Amazon River is filled with piranhas.
What are piranhas?
Man-eating fish.
Oh, it's a good thing she's an anteater and not a man.
Oh no! We're not going to reach her in time.
Wow! Chaz sure is strong.
Ants can lift stuff that's 50 times heavier than they are.
I think Chaz is even stronger than that. Woof, woof. He's like a super ant.
Let me see if that's okay to eat, Mango. Oh no! That's a South American hot pepper!
Duck! I mean, anteater!
Mango! Coconut! Got it! Hollow reed!
Nice move, Chaz.
Drink it up, Charo!
Whew, that was close.
Mango, it's a passion fruit. This is perfect. Passion fruit is sweet, soft, goopy, and not hot. Here, Charo.
Wow, she really, really likes it. Yeah, what Charo said, Chaz. Thanks.
Chaz is sending down a year's supply. Goodbye, Charo. Glad we could find you some good food.
Oh, Charo and Chaz have a gift for us, so we always remember them.
An Amazon orchid. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much.
Stop, Annie.
What's wrong, Ben?
Chaz is still holding on to the bottom.
Oops, sorry, Chaz.
Phew! That was almost an ant plant accident.
Oh, Ben, bad joke.